Assalamu alaikum guys. So if you want to work with Python Opencv for like object measurement and like if you want to detect any object width or area of any specific object, so you need to work with Opencv. So now you can see here in my Pycharm there is no Opencv installed here, right? So for my specific work I have to install contrib Python. So how to install it? See, you can search here like terminal. So you go to terminal or command prompt and press open here, and from there now what you can do, I have already opened it here, and see, you have to just write this command, okay, pip install Opencv contrib Python, and I have already written that command here and press enter, and that's it. So you can see that there are coming many warning. This is because there was no internet connection there. Here there was no Wi-Fi connection in my PC, so I was getting some warning. So you can ignore that, and as soon as you will connect your PC with internet connection, then you have to enter that command, and yeah, that works. So as soon as I have connected my Wi-Fi with my laptop, then the installation has started. So you can see that this is a 45.3 megabyte file, and already it's installing around 40.7 megabyte. So in this way you can install Opencv contrib Python and work with that. So you can see that this is going to finish. So yeah, so see here what you can see, that we can see that successfully installed Opencv contrib Python 4.9.0. This is the version. So in this way you can successfully install Opencv contrib Python. Okay, so now before there was coming error because I have imported CV2 and there was no installation of Opencv contrib. Now if I go to the same file and simply run that file, let's see what happens. So yes, so you can see here that is scanning the install packages. So I have already installed Opencv, so now I think I can run that. So see, I have imported import CV2 and there is no error coming, right? So I have successfully installed Opencv contrib Python here. So thanks for watching.